One man's effort to replace the Wake County District Attorney on the ballot may be in the hands of the federal court.
As CBS 17 first reported back in July, questions have been raised about the legitimacy of Lauren Freeman's election paperwork. A missing signature is at the center of attorney David Blackwelder's argument to keep Wake County District Attorney Lauren Freeman off the ballot.
We got to defend our constitutional liberties, and, I will always do that, whether I look like the bad guy or not.
Last December, Freeman filed to run for a third term, but she neglected to sign the form. A State Board of Elections employee notarized the document even without that signature. It wasn't until April that the State Board of Elections discovered the error, which was past the March filing deadline. Freeman fixed it per guidance from the Board of Elections. She told CBS 17 in July if she had known about the oversight earlier, she would have taken care of it.
Certainly, had at any point the Board of Elections notified me that our filing needed that to be complete, we certainly would have done that.
On her side, let's say it was an oversight, but it still does not comply with the state statute. It's very important for us to stand up for our First Amendment rights and also our 14th Amendment rights for equal protection.
Blackwelder filed a challenge and a protest, but missed those deadlines. He's now filed a complaint in federal court.
And I think will ultimately be shown in the courts that they were in the wrong and that they can't just be biased towards one party or the other. They have to give everyone equal treatment.
And Liz, I did reach out to the North Carolina State Board of Elections, and I just got a response just a few minutes ago, so forgive me, but I have to read this off my phone. Of course, I want to be fair. They say Mr. Blackwelder submitted an election protest regarding the results of the Democratic primary for the Wake County District Attorney. But because that contest was certified almost 3 months ago, his protest is untimely. They go on to say the State Board has no authority under state law to consider it. So now we just wait to see whether the federal courts will consider this case.
We'll see. All right, Russ, thanks.